Well, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know it's that time, really, really close to the holidays. Finally, my local big box stores have gotten in the Gerber holiday pack. This is their one for 2021. Now, I know I haven't removed two of the items before because we've already taken a look at the Gerber Shard here on the channel. Matter of fact, if you'd like to see my review on that, take a look right up there. There's going to be a card for the Gerber Shard. Gotta give another moment or two because YouTube really hates it when you try to stack cards. And they also have a paraframe. If you're curious about the paraframe, take a look right up there. There's a card for the Gerber paraframe. Now, the one that really caught my attention is the Pledge. And I need to stress this to you. This is the only way you can get the Pledge. It is not available on, like, Blade HQ, Knife Central, eBay. Well, you probably find it on eBay with people putting it out there. You probably find it on Amazon later when people look at YouTube reviews and go, ooh, I can make money. But you can't find it on a Gerber's website. For everyone who likes the back of the package, there you go. We're going to get into all that here in a moment. But here it is. This thing caught my interest right away. I saw that look and I went, oh, hey, look, baby folding sacks. And then I went, oh, yeah, well, like a little one-clef style or clip point. Not clip point, but there's something in there I'm forgetting. What did they call it? Sorry. Oh, yeah. Reverse full Tonto. Still. Alright, but the way it looked, I went, oh yeah. At first I thought, did it have a push button open? But no, I like how Gerber's kind of putting that in there, and it's got kind of like no logo in there, but it's got like a little button in the middle there. I thought it was kind of neat. So for the cost of the 3-pack, I get me a pretty good beater Gerber blade. So let's get into the stats and the fun stuff on this like we usually do. Okay, now like I said, it is part of their Holiday 2021 pack. Only place you can get it is big box stores. I got mine at my local Walmart. We'll get into the pricing in just a moment. It's got an overall length of about 8 inches. Closed, the blade's about 3.5, and closed it's about 4.5. It comes in at a very, very minor weight of 3.13 ounces. As you can see, it's got a plain edge with a flat grind. Now, they call it Warncliffe style. I've seen it as, like I just showed on the back, reverse Tonto style. I just looked and giggled and went, okay, pocket sacks. I'm all right with that. Now, the blade steel on it is 7CR 17 MOV. Look at the price point. You're not going to get really super steel for a holiday pack for 20 bucks. It does have a black oxide coating. We do have the stainless steel frame that's got part of that black oxide coating in there as well. We do have a liner lock, which sits in there pretty securely. We do have this really, really cool reversible thumb stud. I like how they did that. So it's not like the full paddle on both sides, how you can kind of reverse it, which made me go, all right, because I get it. Lefties, righties. But the part that I didn't get, oh, no, wait, I'm wrong. Shut up, Chris, just shut up. Keep moving forward. Now, there's glass reinforced nylon scales, and they called it their Omni Gray. It almost looked like a really dark green to me, but that's Omni Gray. You can carry this thing left-hand, right-hand style, tip up only. And that's what I was like, well, I don't get with that, but yeah. So, I had, it's been a long day, so it's not a video if I don't make a mistake in there somewhere, right? And yes, all this is made in China. Alright, now let's do the cut tests on this guy. We usually only do 3. And why do we do these 3? Take a look right up there. There's another card. And that one's going to be for why I do these cut tests. Alright, first up as usual, heavy duty stock paper. Wow. I'm kind of impressed with that right out of the gate. Especially that, and not even trying, right out of the gate. Let's go for a curlicue. Okay. Now, the big reason why I like to get these curlicues is anybody can come along with a piece of paper and just go, whoosh, sharp. But if you drag that thing along slow, keep the edge angled the exact same way, that paper should start to curl back in on itself like it does, to show you there's no pits, chips, like micro abrasions, anything like that. Like we usually do, I don't see any really snowfall on there, so that's a pretty good sign. Oh, here we go. The bane of my existence recently. The River's Revenge. Alright. Pull test. Oh, Bill, I hate you. Not really. So, yeah, let's just... Yeah, burns right through there. Alright, let's do a slice. That is really clean. Look at that. Can't pull worth a crap, but that's a clean slice. Mr. Ratchet Strap. I swear it's Christmas time. I should give him a pardon. You know what? Yeah, just for this video. Mr. Ratchet Strap has been pardoned. You all may rejoice. Let there be celebrations in the land. Do not let them think I am not magnanimous for Mr. Ratchet Strap. Okay, now, taking a look at the blade like we usually do. Really don't see any weird stuff on it. Okay, so I purchased this thing on December 21st, did all the homework on it on December 22nd, and currently filming the video on December 23rd, 2021. Only place I've seen it locally is my local Walmart. It was 20 bucks. I can't even give you a link to walmart.com because they don't sell it there. You've got to go in your big box store and hopefully it's sitting there. I will tell you honestly, I saw the Kershaw holiday pack for this year. You won't be seeing it on my channel. I don't like the way the blade looks. I'm not going to drop the cash just to get a quick review. That's just me. I really like the way this looked. It intrigued me, plus the fact it's Gerber. And I went, okay, let's bring it to the channel. But now we have the most important part of the video. Get ready for it, guys. Whew, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger. All that fun stuff right down below in the comment section. I also want to know, do you think the pledge is a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? For a daily beater, I like it. For 20 bucks, no big deal. You get a couple other items in the pack. If you don't have them, I don't know. They may be good for you. It may be a good gift to give to somebody who's starting out and doesn't really know much. A good starter set. But this, I like. This, I really, really, truly do like. Okay, so if I made you laugh, made you cry, made you cringe at any point during this video, which I'm sure I probably did all three of those, please hit that big old like. Seriously, hit the big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm and help the channel out. Now, for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for watching this video. Look, I know we do things very, very differently here on the channel, and I'm very, very grateful that you chose this video to watch. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time people who have yet to subscribe, you know, you long-time awesome viewers, my question's why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Leave me a comment right down below and let's see how we can implement that into a future video. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, take a look, right down there in that corner. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up in just a moment. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's one click, easy access, right to subscribe. Now, after you've done that, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that will let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much out there on YouTube, two will be popping up somewhere over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Gerber Pledge, which you can only get in Gerber's 2021 holiday pack. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and we'll see all of you in our very next video.